everybody. I am here to give you another Cubelet challenge. I don't even know what number we're on right now, so we're just going to say it's a Cubelet challenge. The challenge you have today is to create a conveyor belt. Now, do you know what a conveyor belt is? A conveyor belt is a type of machine, and typically it has some kind of sensor on it. And you can see here, I pulled up a little video of one. A conveyor belt is typically in a grocery store, or sometimes different factories have conveyor belts, and conveyor belts help the workers. So today we're going to help the clerk. This is the clerk back here. She is working in a grocery store and she needs to scan all these items and see how much they are. So I'm going to push play and you'll be able to see that the items move up on the conveyor belt as she either pushes the button, or sometimes there's a sensor that tells the conveyor belt to move because there's no more groceries. So it just kind of depends on how they're set up, and you are going to create one, so you'll make it however you want. But your job is to get the groceries from one side to the other side of the conveyor belt to help the cashier. Okay, so let me show you. Stop that. So for me, I am just going to use some little things that I have sitting around my office as groceries. Like this is going to be my, this is going to be my groceries right here. You might have little bear counters. That would be a great thing to use. You might have little math counters, or you might have little blocks, something small, kind of little that would fit in your hand that you could use, excuse me, that you could use for your groceries, okay? I'm not going to show you mine yet because there are hundreds of different ways that you could make a conveyor belt. But remember, your job is to get the groceries from one side of the conveyor belt to the other side of the conveyor belt to help the cashier, okay? So your teacher's going to push pause. You are going to go work on your conveyor belt. Use whatever cubelets you would like to try and create a conveyor belt. And I cannot wait to see what you make. Okay? So your teacher's going to push pause, and don't clean up your cubelets at the end. You'll be able to come look at mine and then maybe have a little bit more time to work on them. Okay? All right. Okay, did you guys make a conveyor belt? Yes, no, maybe, a little bit? Okay, I cannot wait to see them. Here's the one that I made, okay? So this is the conveyor belt that I made. I put a little person down here. I probably should have put her down here. I didn't think about this. And then I used the knob sensor. And then I used 2 of the wheels, okay? And then I have my power, and then I just put another green one. This is a passive block over here so that if I want to put more groceries, I could put more groceries here. So your job was to create a conveyor belt that moved groceries from one side to the other. So I'm going to turn mine on, and let's see if we can get it to work. Now right now, mine isn't doing anything. I'm going to put my groceries on, and then she's going to turn the knob, and look, it is working down through there. Let's try another one. Here's my groceries. It's working, yay. Now you could also make it go super fast. I'm a little bit scared for this one. I just had it turned up a little bit in the beginning. Can you hear it? Listen to how fast it's going. Okay, I'm nervous. So that definitely goes quicker. I can barely watch it. Or you can slow it down to just a little bit of power. You can see they're moving much slower. That's a little more manageable. And then there would maybe be the person down here at the end of the conveyor belt that's going to actually scan them, okay? So that's the way I made my conveyor belt. You could make it many different ways. You could make it with a light sensor. Let me move these the other way. You could make it with a light sensor. Take this one off. And now they're going to be going the other way. And so the little girl could be down here, or the worker could be down here. Stand up, little lady. Okay, so she's down here, and then here come my groceries. Okay, or I guess she should be down here. I keep putting her on the wrong end. That doesn't make any sense, does it? So she needs to be down here where the groceries are. Silly Mrs. Dills. Okay, so here are the groceries. They're coming. And then she will have to scan them. I'm making a little bit of a mess here if you can't tell. Did yours get a little bit messy? Mine definitely got a little bit messy. Okay, so if you would like to go back and work on yours a little bit more and maybe add different things or take things apart, I just put the kid here because I thought it was cute. But I guess you should think about what side they should be on. Mine didn't make sense where I put mine, so I'd have to put on the other side. All right, make sure you send me some pictures of your conveyor belts. I can't wait to see them. Have fun.